In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Cricut designs in Canva. If you want to make custom vinyl decals, personalized shirts, or detailed cardstock projects with your Cricut, one of the most important parts is starting with the right design file. A file that looks good on screen can still cause problems if it uploads poorly, has messy edges, or separates badly in Cricut design space. The good news is that Canva gives you a simple way to build clean, cut-friendly designs without needing advanced design software. To begin, open Canva and go to the top right corner of the homepage. Click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size from the menu. Set the unit to pixels and enter 5000 for the width and 5000 for the height. Then click Create New Design. Starting with a large square canvas gives you much more room to work and helps keep your design sharp and scalable as you build. Once your blank project is open, head over to the left sidebar and click Elements. In the search bar, look for terms like flat vector silhouette, simple outline icon, or minimalist silhouette logo. Then switch to the graphics results so you are only browsing graphic assets. Choose a clean, simple design and drag it onto your canvas. For Cricut projects, flat shapes work best because they cut more cleanly than graphics with shadows, soft gradients, or photo-like effects. Next, add text by clicking text in the left panel and selecting Add a Text Box. Type in your quote, initials, or message. Then use the top toolbar to change the font. For Cricut, bold and solid fonts are usually the safest choice because they hold up better when cut and weeded. Fonts with very thin strokes can tear or become difficult to work with, so keeping your lettering clear and sturdy will save you time later. After that, review the colors in your design. Click each graphic and text layer. Then use the color options in the top toolbar to limit everything to 1, 2, or 3 solid colors. This is helpful because Cricut separates mattes based on color, so a simple color palette sheets makes the cutting process much easier to manage. When everything looks balanced and clean, go to the top right and click Share, then choose Download. Change the file type to SVG and make sure transparent background is checked. This removes the white canvas behind your design and gives you a scalable file that is ready for Cricut design space. With the right canvas size, clean graphics, bold text, organized colors, and a proper SVG export, you'll have a much smoother crafting experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.